Today's video is about how to link your Exchange account to your TurboTax account. First, quick intro. Welcome to Pro Trade Series with your host, me, Peter Lykke, featured on these publications, aka XVG Whale, aka Pajama Boy, and here to bring you another video. And first, I'd like to remind you, if you comment on my videos, subscribe, hit that notification bell, like the video, you are entered to win free crypto. Even better if you leave your XVG Verge currency address or your Bitcoin address. And yeah, this is brought to you by ProTrade.tools. Juice your trades with coins of the day, as well as Arbitrage.software. Easy way to link your accounts to make easy, quick arbitrage trades. Great for making profit and volatility. Now let's get the video started. Hello, Bittrex, my old friend. Blah, blah, blah. We meet again to synchronize with TurboTax. Excuse my corny singing. Although I am sentimental about Bittrex. I'll get to that later. First, how to sync your Bittrex account with TurboTax. Easy peasy. There's a link in the video description. Expand the video description. It's the first link in the video description. You can't miss it. There is a web app that's compatible with all the crypto exchanges, not all the crypto exchanges, but most of the major crypto exchanges and TurboTax. And one of the exchanges it's compatible with includes Bittrex, and it is free to sign up. And I am nostalgic about Bittrex because when I got into altcoins, rocking my Verge currency XVG shirt right now. When I got into altcoins in 2017, I first tried Poloniex, however you explain that, however you say that, and I lost 15 Bitcoin. I shit you not, 15 Bitcoin in one day. Impulse trading. I traded until my account balance was 0. I started with hundreds of Bitcoin in 2016, so it was it didn't faze me at the time, though. Right now I'd be like, hey, an extra 15 Bitcoin would be lovely. Anyway, after that I actually learned how to use an exchange, and I went over to Bittrex, and I had success with Verge currency, which is why I've been known as XVG Whale. But anyway, the first link in the video description, you sign up to that for free. You link it with you can export the data directly from Bittrex into TurboTax, and it's free to sign up to, easy to use. And while you're at it, if you're trading on Bittrex, check out ProTrade.tools. Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid if you're turned off by any of the sales stuff. The sales stuff is for the general public, but this algorithm is used by 9 hedge funds. And if you're more crypto savvy day trader already, the key there is the hot coins of the day. Their targets are hitting 65 to 75% of the time win rate, which is unbeatable. Worth every penny. That's a membership only program. If you want to sign up for something for free, there's a free trade bot in the video description. You can also sign up to Arbitrage.software for free, which you could link multiple exchange accounts to in order to snipe arbitrage trading when there's differences in Bitcoin's USDT or other coins USDT price on different exchanges. You can make a profit trading, and that one is one where you can earn free crypto by referring your friends to it. Stacked up sats, you know. So check those out. And then also one of my new favorites, information in the video description about how you can trade crypto, stocks, commodities, and forex on the same platform, and they got their own Visa debit cards, so you don't even have to cash out the fiat. You can just spend with your Visa debit card from your portfolio and keep your money in your coins or even precious metal like gold. Or you could be like a pirate and keep your money in gold, which would be kind of fun. Or if you're a crypto maximalist like myself, you see, I don't even collect Benjamin Franklin's. I collect Frankie McDonald's. Much cooler. But anyway, you can just keep it in crypto. Information in the video description. Thank you for watching, and have fun trading out there on Bittrex. And then there's another exchange that I really like, VCC. Information in the video description. You can get some free coins on there. They're doing a learn and earn type of thing like Coinbase is doing, but on their exchange is like if Bittrex and Binance had a baby. I really like their exchange. I like their coin list. And peace out, y'all. Have a good one.